No big concerns in the tropics, so that's certainly an encouraging sign heading into this upcoming holiday weekend. There's still an active upper pattern across the western Gulf, some waves of moisture here and there, but nothing that's really trying to gather any kind of organization. Gulf, Caribbean, very similar. A little bit of extra moisture just south of Panama, and that's drifting to the north, but very doubtful of anything forming here. Same situation applies with a swift upper pattern, which is not too unusual for this point in the season. And even those waves that are still in the southern latitudes of the North Atlantic, not really a lot of future potential for some development there, so we're looking fine. Now, you may have seen the clearness of the sky in comparison to the weekend because of that Saharan air layer that's been dispersed a little bit, but there are still some significantly dense plumes across the Atlantic, and they're moving in a westerly fashion, the latest of which is right now across the western Gulf region in southeastern Texas. Some of that may be nudged a bit towards the east, so we can maybe have at least a thin amount of haze to contend with. Maybe not reaching the same level of density that we had over the weekend. We'll have a change in the upper pattern that will kind of avoid any kind of major coverage of Saharan dust in our atmosphere. But we are also